Hello, friends. I'm Neena Sharma. I'm an associate professor in Maher Chand Mahajan DAV College for Women, Chandigarh. As a part of this FDP on managing classes online and co creating MOOCs, I feel it has been a very, very rewarding, very stimulating experience for me. My congratulations to the Teaching Learning Center of Ramanujan College, University of Delhi, for organizing this much needed program. In fact, lockdown has changed the entire academic spectrum all across the globe. So, what was choice once is a necessity now. Now, in the new session, I'm sure we all need to be very, very well equipped. And for that, all the pedagogical strategies, the new pedagogical tools that we have learned during this program, I'm sure they will come handy. Everybody has been using Google for various reasons, but using Google Classroom, Google Docs, Google Spreadsheets, Slides Share, all these things they have been part of this extensive program on hands-on training. And the best thing about this program has been that it was very well structured, very well curated, and self-paced in its nature, keeping in mind that many a time we had to come back to the tutorials while making our assignments. I'm sure that that reinforces the fact how we as teachers will also need to be very patient, will need to keep in mind that there are students with varying learning abilities. So I cannot thank the institution enough for organizing this program. In fact, when I created my website as part of the assignment, it came as a pleasant surprise. And I'm sure when I go back to my college, I'm going to shock some of my students who perhaps may not have thought that their teachers would know how to create a site for themselves. And every time experimenting with all the various tools, I think that has been a wonderful experience. I had never used the Google Forms the way I have learned to use them now. For my quiz, for various assignments, teaching assignments, I'm sure that Google Forms are going to do wonders to our teaching in the next session. COVID 19 has been a game changer, let's accept it. And with UGC's new guidelines about incorporating the online mode into offline, I'm sure that would be very well received, particularly where the connectivity is no issue. So, my congratulations once again to the organizers. My special thanks to Bhavya ma'am, Varshneya ma'am, Vibhas sir, and Dr. Nikhil Rajput for creating such well thought of, well structured programs. Much as I feel that while they were doing the things in the tutorials, it seemed as if it was a cakewalk. But when one started making an assignment, oh God, it was a real challenging experience. So this learning experience will definitely go in my academic journey as a great milestone. So I thank Ramanujan College, the management, the Teaching Learning Center for having created a program which was in fact the necessity. It was dire need of the hour. So till we begin the new session with a new uh, uh, learning, with a new perspective on teaching after this kind of programs, I'm sure we let's pray that uh, the the disease has found a vaccine, and finally we can come back to our classes, and with offline mode we can combine online mode and reach out to our students in a better, more efficient manner. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe.